Most budget robots are basically blind. They wander around your living room like a confused beetle. They hit the sofa. They get stuck on a rug. Then they cry for help. It is frustrating to watch. But things are changing fast in the world of home automation. This latest budget-friendly floor cleaner actually uses a high-end laser mapping system. It does not just bounce off walls. It sees the room. It builds a map. It knows exactly where it has been. That is a huge deal for something at this price point. Usually, you have to pay a premium for that level of intelligence. This little guy is surprisingly powerful too. It bats 5,000 units of suction force. That is enough to pull deep dust and grit out of your carpet fibers. It is not just about raw power though. The way it handles water is the real surprise. Most cheap robots just drag a wet rag behind them. They leave streaks. They do a lazy job. This one uses a unique movement pattern. It moves in a way that mimics manual scrubbing. It follows a path that looks like a wide fork or a repeating wedge shape. This motion helps it actually lift stains instead of just wiping over them. It feels much more deliberate and effective. It is like having a tiny person actually trying to clean your floors. There are trade-offs, of course. The design is quite compact and sleek. It sits low to the ground. This means it can slide under your bed or that annoying coffee table with ease. It is only about 12 inches across. But a smaller body means a smaller stomach. The dust bin is a bit tight. It holds about 400 milliliters of debris. If you have two shedding pets, you will be emptying that container every single day. It is a classic case of physics. You get a slim profile, but you lose storage space. The battery life follows a similar story. It is perfectly fine for a standard apartment or a smaller home. If you live in a massive mansion, this might get tired halfway through its chores. For the average city dweller, it is a perfect sweet spot. Setting it up is a breeze. It links right into your favorite smart home apps on your phone. You can shout at your voice assistant to start a cleaning cycle while you are cooking dinner. It just works. The software is stable and reliable. It feels like a legitimate tool rather than a cheap toy. You are getting high-end navigation tech without the high-end price tag. It is an efficient choice for someone who wants a clean floor without spending a fortune. It handles the basics with style. It navigates with precision. It mops with real effort. Just keep an eye on that dustbin if things get messy. It is all about balancing what you need versus what you want to pay. This bot makes a strong case for the budget category. It proves that smart cleaning does not have to be a luxury anymore. You get the brains and the brawn in a small package. It is a smart move for anyone living in a medium-sized space. No more confused beetles bumping into your furniture. Just a clean home and a robot that actually knows where it is going. The app integration allows you to set virtual walls. You can tell it to stay away from the pet balls or the messy toy corner. You can schedule it to run while you are at work. Coming home to those fresh vacuum lines on the carpet is a great feeling. It gives you back your weekends. It gives you back your peace of mind. Even though it is an entry-level model, the performance suggests otherwise. It is a serious contender. You really cannot go wrong if your living space fits the profile. It is simple, effective, and surprisingly clever for the price. It turns a chore into a background task you barely have to think about.